Okay, so now we're going to get it into the initial sounds, which is also called the consonant. The consonant in Chinese, most of them have the similar pronunciation of Chinese, but some are very special. So let's have a look at the sound of the consonant. The first four, we're going to come back because we know that a consonant does not have a very distinguished sound because it sounds like a b, p, m, f. So in order to hear them properly, we are going to add a vowel behind it so we can hear them a little bit better. The first four, we're going to combine them with the o sound. So we call that letter bo, po, mo, fo. The next several ones, all the way, the next 8, actually, we're going to combine them with the sound e. So de, te, ne, le, ge, ke, he. The rest, we're going to combine them with the sound I. So ji. Remember the ji, actually, if it's first tone, it means chicken. 鸡肉, ji. Qi, like a 冰淇淋. Xi. Zhi. Curl tongue. Every time there's a H, you have to curl tongue. Zhi. Chi. This is like eat, right? 吃饭, 吃苹果, 吃. Shi. If it's a false tone, it means is MR, like 我是老师. 他10岁, right? Next one, 日. 日, like a 日本人, Japanese people. The next 3, flatter tongue, exactly the same pronunciation, but a flatter tongue. This is zhi. This is 滋. 滋, like the sizzling sound of the barbecue. 滋. 呲. I think people might make this sound the most mistake because in Chinese it makes sound like ts, right? In English it's the k sound, right? Remember the strawberry? We call that 草莓, 草莓. The next one is 丝, 丝. If it's a false tone, what's the word? 四. It means 4. Next one, yi, yi. If it's first tone, what's the word? 1. Last one, the last consonant, we combine that with the sound u, u. So if it's a third tone, u, it means number 5. Alright, so that is all the consonant. When you read them a little bit quickly, it's 波坡摸佛的特呢了个可和鸡七西支持是日子此思一无